What the hell is that?
What the hell was that? That's weight, baby.
That ain't weight. How big would you say it is, Scott?
34 inches.
Now I can't even see you.
No?
No. I just gotta look through the viewfinder. That's one ugly fish. Yeah? Maybe I don't want to catch any.
I thought he was much bigger than that.
Surprise!
Still fun.
Oh yeah, I'm having a blast. All I'm doing is taking pictures and video. Now, let's see how you whip these things, man. Whip it.
Whip it?
Yeah, give it a big whipping.
What do you mean whip it?
You gotta lip it, don't you?
Tail.
Look at this prehistoric mother. I'm not talking about the fish. Yes, sir. Yours don't zoom, does it?
No.
Look at that.
Pretty
Beautiful.
cool, eh?
Huh?
Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.